Hey guys, today I'm going to explain the purpose and value of the local development environment in Dome. Speaking from my personal experience, the development environment offers a variety of great solutions for common use cases we encounter in the IT world. Let's kick off and dive right in with some practical examples. I'm Leonard, DevOps engineer at Dome, and I'll be your guide. Now hang on a second. For those of you who have absolutely no clue what a development environment is, don't worry, I got your back. The development environment is actually a pre-packaged virtual machine created for Dome. The development machine is shipped as a Vagrant box and can be run on a developer's computer. We also provide code in the framework to build the exact same machine on your cloud platform of preference. The purpose of a local development environment is providing a development machine that is exactly the same for all Dome users and developers. The great power is in the fact that it's as easy as connecting your Visual Studio Code editor to the machine, which is automatically done through the installation script. Once set up, you can start writing and editing code right away. At this point, some of you might be wondering, why do we need this local development environment? Well, for the following reasons. Remember that time where you spent hours of setting up and configuring your development machine just to discover that you broke some things in the process and had to do a lot of work all over again? Or the time a new team member joined and needed more than a day to set up his computer? And are you any familiar with dependency hell? I sure am. Man, the countless issues with Python, pip, Ansible, npm, unresolvable dependencies, and so on are all in the past now. Packages use pinned versions inside the local development environment to guarantee continuous operation. You don't need any additional software for our code except the packages available inside the virtual machine. If you break things, it's as easy to destroy your environment and spin up a new one. All code written in Dome is tested and developed on the local development environment, so we guarantee working code on the local development machine. We make use of tags so it's easy for us and for you to quickly check what tag of development environment you need for which code. It's time to fire up the engines and get rolling with a hands-on demo.
In this demo, we will deploy Dome's local development environment locally on a MacBook running macOS using the installation script provided within the framework. The script is now running, as you might already noticed, and is responsible for installing the required software on your computer, downloading and setting up the Dome Vagrant box, and adding it to your SSH config for automatic connection with Visual Studio Code. As you might notice, the script sometimes asks for user input. Here you can define the name of the Vagrant box, the version that you want to use, and also the path to your SSH config. All these values use a default value, so you can simply press enter. The script is done, and now you'll see the Dome Vagrant box available between your SSH targets in Visual Studio Code. You can simply click on Connect, and you see that it's connecting, and right now it's connected. We can open a terminal session, and when I print the host name, it prints out Dome DevBox, so we're inside the DevBox. There's also a running Kubernetes cluster, and you can start developing right away inside your box now. Enjoy the local development environment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for new content.